Say children, I am preparing the video and many birds are chirping. Listen to it. Sparrows are chirping. Crows are also making the sound of cow cow. The story of road. The road is quiet. A newspaper boy is moving on the road. On either side of the road, beautiful trees are there. Beautiful school building is also there. Early in the morning, the road is asleep. Everything is quiet. So we can create a picture reading also from the first slide. From the next slide also we can say the road is looking very quiet. It is a evening time. Early in the morning, the road is asleep. Everything is quiet. Early means dawn time. Opposite of early is late. Morning is evening time or night. Asleep means awake. Everything is nothing. And quiet means calm. Means calm. Quiet means calm, and opposite will be loud or noisy. Here you can see in the picture 4 birds are flying, but listen, birds are calling softly. Birds speak out softly. Birds say softly. Here you can see the sentences chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. All these 3 words, after each word comma is there and the rest are written in a inverted comma. So the sparrows say. Who say? The sparrows say chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. This will come under inverted comma. Then the crow says cow, 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 cow. After each cow, comma is there and inverted comma closed. Wake up, cow, cow, cow. See, you can see inverted comma, comma, and full stop. Cow, cow, cow. Sounds of the crow. Here is someone else calling. Here you can see one crow, cow, cow, and sparrow, chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Everywhere comma is there after each chirrup and cow. Here is someone else now, tringling, tringling. It is the newspaper boy. You can see the newspaper boy in his cycle moving to give papers, newspapers to different homes. Tringling, tringling, says his bicycle. Tringling, tringling, wake up. Newspaper, newspaper. The sound of the boy, newspaper, newspaper. The sound of the bicycle, tringling, tringling. Here, chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. I am showing each slide because comma, where to put comma after each word. Inverted comma, you can see the sparrows say. After that, inverted comma. The sparrows say, you will write the sparrows say, comma, then you will write the sentence in a inverted comma. Then here you can see the movement. Beautiful scene it is. Here you can see who is this coming now. It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, vegetables. After each word comma is there and rest it is inside the inverted comma. Says the vegetable man. The vegetable man says peas, cauliflowers, cabbages. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, cucumbers, radishes. Cow, says the crow. Chirrup, chirrup, say the sparrow. So 3 of them. Who say and what they say. Who say and what they say. Who say is the name of a thing, person, bird, and what they say comes inside the inverted comma. What they say come inside the inverted comma. What they say come inside the inverted comma. Potato, cucumber, radishes. Here you can say vegetable man. Peas, cauliflower, cabbages. The sound of a vegetable man. Come, come. Please take from me. Peas, cauliflower, cabbage. Peas, cauliflower, cabbage, potatoes, cucumbers, radishes. This is your question, and you have to write that what are the things, what are the vegetables are in the cart of a vegetable man. Here you can see the peas, cauliflower, cabbage, radish, cucumber, carrots, and potatoes. Here you can see again cow, cow, wake up. So all of them asking to wake up everybody else. Chirrup, chirrup. Early in the morning, they help us to wake up. Cock crows in the morning. Birds chirp in the morning. Isn't it? Parrot talks in the morning. Then the sound of tramp, tramp, tramp. The sound of shoes of the children. Chatter, chatter. The sound of the children when they talk. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Everything, all the words. After each word, comma is there. Comma is there. They are children going to school. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Talk the school children. School children talk. Who talk? The school children talk. You will write like this. Who talk? The school children talk. Then comma you will put, inverted comma you will start chatter, chatter, chatter. You will put full stop, then inverted comma close. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Go the shoes. The sound of shoes. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Peas, carrots, cauliflowers calls the vegetable man. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrow. Cow, 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 says. The way it is written inside the inverted comma, you will also say. Now you can see listen the sound of dog. Barking. So all these are the sound early morning we get. Beautiful birds chirp in the morning. Wake up, ask the road. The road is also asking everybody to wake up. The road is asking that please come out all the people and walk on the road, move on the road. The road has no end. The road is beautiful. The road connects different states. Without road, our life is not possible. Here in the last slide, you can see, can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Wake up, can't you see? The birds are waking the children up, and the children said, we are already awake. We are going to school. We are in the garden. We are moving. We are enjoying early morning. Beautiful scene. So children, read the book and find out the sentences who said and what did they say. So this is the work you will do. First is the sounds of different birds and things. Then your activity is you have to write few sentences on the road. And then your activity will be that the words written in inverted comma. You have to pick out all the words written in inverted comma. And who says those words. The words written in inverted comma that you will write and who says. You will find out from the book and complete this work. And name of the vegetables you will do. You will do picture reading also and complete your whole task. Beautiful scenery is there. So I have asked you to write sentences on road about the words written in inverted comma and who says those words, or who say, just like birds say, comma, inverted comma, chirrup, 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 full stop, inverted comma, close like that. Find out from the book. The crow says what? Caw, caw, cow. Inverted comma. It is in inverted comma. The vegetable, the The newspaper boy says, comma, inverted comma, newspaper, newspaper. The bicycle says, tringaling, tringaling, in the inverted comma. It is a very interesting one. So complete the task. Back exercise also we will do.